Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mexicanas en el Mundo. I'm Alexandra, a Mexican living in Switzerland, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Mexican sweet bread called marranitos or puerquitos, which means pig, a piggy bread. The flavor is gingerbread, and I hope you enjoy making this recipe with me. Okay, so the ingredients you're going to need to prepare your piggies are half a cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 3/4 of a cup of molasses, 1/4 of a cup of milk, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Okay, so the first step to making our piggies is adding to our bowl a few of the ingredients. The first one is adding our butter. We're going to mix it until it's nice and smooth. Once it's smooth, we add the dark brown sugar. We mix it until it's well combined. And then after that, we're going to add the egg, just 1 egg, molasses, milk, vanilla extract, and we're going to mix it together until it's nice and smooth. I'm going to be using a hand mixer this time because I know not everyone has a KitchenAid, so you can see you can make this with a hand mixer. Okay, so we mixed all our wet ingredients. They're done for now, and now we're going to mix the dry ones. And I'm using the same bowl that I used with to measure out my flour. In here I'm going to add the ground ginger, the baking soda, and the cinnamon, and I'm going to mix well. I'm going to use a fork just to combine all the ingredients. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And while it's preheating, we're going to mix our ingredients. What we do is we add 1 cup of the dry ingredients into a measuring cup, and we're going to mix 1 cup at a time. We mix, and once it's well mixed, we add 1 cup, and we do that continuously until we use up all the dry ingredients. so I was mixing the bread. I was using the normal mixing attachments which you usually use for baking cakes or light doughs. This one's quite a heavy dough, so I had to change to the bread kneading attachment. And after that, I'm going to give it a quick mix with my hands also. I'm going to use a glove because I'm wearing nail polish. If you don't have nail polish on, you don't need to use a glove. Okay, so the next step is we're going to flour a working surface and we're going to transfer our dough. You know the dough is ready when it comes off the bowl easily. So you put your dough on your surface and you're going to roll it out. I'm using these sticks because they help you measure the thickness of how you roll out your dough. It should be about a bit less than ½ an inch in size and thickness. And you just roll over until you get the dough nice and smooth. And the next step would be cutting out your piggies. So you use the cutter, press it in, and push the piggy out. Transfer them to your pan, baking pan. This one stayed.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here up, there up, everywhere up. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, so I cut out all our piggies, and with the size of cutter I used and the thickness I used, 21 piggies came out. So the next step is we're going to crack an egg open and we're going to whisk it, egg yolk and egg white all together, and with a pastry brush we're going to brush this over our piggies. This is going to make them all nice and shiny while they bake. And we're going to bake them in the oven for 12 minutes at the same temperature we preheated. And after that I'll show you the end result. Okay, so our piggies are done. They're beautiful, they're delicious, and I hope you found the recipe simple and you make it. So until next time, thank you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.